Hello again, and welcome to exercise 26, Move. You can use Move to move objects without changing orientation or size. To begin, let's go ahead and open the auxiliary model called Move. File, Open, Move. And this is what that file looks like. To begin with, turn off both ortho and grid snap so you can move your objects freely. Next, turn center object snap on. Now, select the small circle at the bottom left side of the top viewport, this circle right here. Now, type in Move in your command bar. For the point to move from, snap to the center of the small circle. For the point to move to, snap to the center of the arc at the lower left of the object, like so. Next, we're going to move using absolute coordinates. From the Edit menu, select Objects, and then click Curves. Where are you guys? There we go. Now, from the Transform menu, click Move. Again, you also have the option to type the command Move in your command bar. For the point to move from, snap to the end of the lower line at the left part of the object. In other words, at this exact point right here. And we can't currently see the end object snap because it's currently turned off, so be sure to turn it on so you can appropriately catch it. For the point to move to, we're going to type in coordinates. In your command bar, type in 0, 0, enter. The end of the line is exactly at point 0, 0 in the top viewport. Next, we're going to move relative coordinates. Select the large slotted circle, this guy right here, in the middle of the object. You will ultimately move the slotted circle relative to the part. Now, we're going to go ahead and type in Move in the command bar once more. Now, pick any point in the top viewport. It is usually better if you pick a point near the object you are going to move. Now, for the point to move to, we're going to type in some coordinates into the command bar. We're going to type R0, comma, negative 0.25, and then press enter. The circle moved down 0.25 units. And that officially completes exercise 36.